Welcome to Patashale. Today we are learning about place value and face value. Place value and face value. Every number from 1 to 9 has a face value and place value. Here, smallest place value is ones place. So, in the example, you can see from 0 to 9 is a ones place. So, once 1 is added to 9, it will become 10. So, it will move to the tens place. So, here 10 to 99 in the tens place. So 10 is the smallest two digit number and 99 is the greatest two digit number. Similarly, the process will continue like 99 if you add 1 it will become 100. So 100 is the smallest three digit number and 999 is the greatest three digit number. So if you add 1 to 999 so it will become 1000. So 1000 is the smallest four digit number and 9999 is the greatest four digit number, and the process will continuous similarly, but I have taken till four digit number, so I have taken 1000 to 9999. Now I am going to tell you how to expand the number and write the place value. Here in the first example, I have taken number 13. 13 I have expanded 10 plus 3. So here 3 will be in the ones place and 10 will be in the tens place. Here 1 10 in the tens place. In the second example, I have taken number 26. So expanded into 20 plus 6. In ones place, there will be a 6 and in the tens place, there will be a 2. So here two tens will be there. In the third example, I have taken number 138. So expanded into 100 plus 30 plus 8. Here 8 will be in the ones place, 3 will be in the tens place and 1 will be in the hundreds place. Here in the fourth example, I have taken 2451. So expanded into 2000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 1. Here 1 goes to ones place, 5 goes to tens place, 4 goes to hundred place and 2 goes to thousands place. In the left hand side table, I have placed the values, and here in the right hand side table, I have given the values to each place. So 6 into 1 is 6. You can see there, and here in the second example, 4 into 1 is 4 and 1 into 10 is 10. So in the tens place 1 will come, in the ones place 4 will come. In this way, we can find the place value of a given number. Here we will see how to find the place value on the abacus. Today's topic is place value and face value. So we learned how to find place value. Now let us learn about face value. Face value is nothing but the name of the number. You can say the number itself. So here I have taken an example of 25. So here 5 face value is 5 itself, the number itself. Here 2 face value is 2 itself. So it's very easy to find the face value of a number. Here in the second example, I have taken the number 318. Here 8 face value is 8, that is number itself. 1 face value is 1, that is also a number itself. 3 face value is 3, so number itself. So it is very easy to find a face value. So one more example I have given, that is 85. Here also the same procedure to find a face value. I hope you guys understood how to find place value and face value. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it and share it with your loved ones. Thank you.